带外国人到阿伊河漂流是种怎样的体验？
卡兹说这是他人生第一次玩漂流。
Where are we right now?
We're in Pan Sui with my Imshin Sui.
我们到喷水了。
跑步像陀螺。
先来升级一波装备。
不是，
我喜欢不是。
美美拿下。
我们两个去抢下半段。
Yes。
先来吃个凉面，还有酸辣粉垫个肚子。
快点！
哦。
Oh. Okay, go. Hold it. Yeah. Okay, no. Yeah.
No, we gotta get the water out.
他那个船吸到我身上来了。还不能太重了，让我们船聊淹了哦。看我们的船。我腹都破了。
饿了，补充体力。
人质要到脚下了，来一个。
Yes. Okay.
所有人被拉到去了，现在我们在喊左右站。好像是。He's asking, are you from Yugoslavia?
Yeah, my grandma.
他外婆是的。好得行。卡姆，这个赖娃像三妹一样，又要开始搞事了，那个脚遭晒的哟。
跳完吃饭，
这是米汤，大脚筋腊肉来了。
That's really good. Wow.
他最喜欢吃腊肉、豆花烧白，还有那个玉山三香。那个烧白那是我第一回见那个豆花烧白。
豆花烧白吃了，
好吃，喜欢。
You know, like pork fat. That's
I
good.
know.
Just like it like melts in your mouth.
哇！
Oh yes.
我的洋芋孔饭，
洋芋孔饭吃了，
好久没吃到了，口水。
玉山三香也吃了。
So familiar, right?
The taste is kind of like the Sichuan cured sausage because you can taste the ma in it, right? But the texture is totally different. Wow, I like that.
那个味道有点像那个糯米鸡里面那个糯米饭。那看龙点的菜都是些肥大块哦，真的。那个天气吃那些有点遭不住，我觉得。
It's been a while, but here we are once again with a bowl full of cow.
我来了，
How about it? Nelson.
吃完了出来上海。
Oh wow. Wow, this is seriously like Chongqing vibes. This is literally little Chongqing,
Yeah,
right?
some people call 喷水 little Chongqing.
I know, that's what you told me, that's why I said it.
How do you like 喷水?
Yo, Pan Shui is actually amazing. I think it might be in my top districts that we've been in Chongqing easily.
Yeah.
Like the top.
I told you I like 喷水 because I've been to 喷水 several times. The latest time was like what 10, 12 years ago.
Oh yeah, I mean it's probably changed
But
a
I
lot.
love this place, seriously.
Yeah. It's honestly like it's like a little Chongqing. Yeah, and the weather feels nice too.
Yeah, so
actually.
good.
Really
Everyone's
nice.
swimming in the Wu
Oh,
River.
and the
Wujiang.
yeah, the Wu River is beautiful. It's like blue green. Wow. Yo, why is this music such a vibe? I want to add this to my playlist. I feel like I'm at the club right now.
我的脚跟卡蒙的脚对比绝了。到底哪个是白人？哎，有歪味儿，米歪。